Hi students, today we will learn about the one of the important question of authority and responsibility differences. Okay, Amma, explain the terms of authority and responsibility. Give the differences between the authority and responsibility. Okay, Amma, in next meaning of authority. The authority is the legitimate right to give orders and get orders obeyed. It is defined as the power to make decisions which guide the actions of others. The right of authority is given by the superior to the subordinates. It is the right to decide, the power to act and to carry out decisions. Authority is given to influence the behavior of subordinates so that right things are done at the right time. It is a subjective matter and influenced by the qualities of the qualities of the persons who is giving it. It is the meaning of authority. So next, the meaning of responsibility. Responsibility is the obligation to do something. It is study that one has to perform when authority is given. Authority and responsibility go side by side. When authority is delegated, then some responsibility for getting the assigned task is also fixed. One can delegate authority but not responsibility. George Turner defines it as responsibility as the obligation to carry out assigned activities to the in best of his abilities. So it is the in meaning of responsibility. Next, features of responsibility. Responsibility can be assigned to human beings only. Responsibility arises from superior subordinates in relationship. It arises from the duty assigned. The responsibility of a subordinate is on obligation to perform the assigned task. Responsibility cannot be delegated. Responsibility always flow upwards. Next one, responsibility arises out of the delegation of authority. When a person delegates authority in subordinates, he becomes responsible to perform the assigned work. The next one, difference between the authority and responsibility. Okay, the authority and responsibility and differences. First one, meaning. It is the right of a in superior. It is the right of a superior to command or give orders to the subordinates. It's the meaning of authority. Next, it is the obligation or duty of the insubordinates to perform an assigned task. Next one, biases. It normally arises either from illegal provisions and formal contact. Next one, it arises from in superior subordinates relationship. Next one, delegation. It can be delegated from the superior to insubordinates. It cannot be delegated. Authority, it cannot be delegated. The next one, duration of period. It may continue for a long period. Next, responsibility. It is over when the assigned task is completed and normally for in short period. Next one, movement. The authority flows from in top level to in bottom level. Next one, it flows from in lower period to period in level of upper levels.